Hello, it's Denny with Vertx. Today we're going to take a look at our Contingency Duffel strap configuration. It's going to help you give a little bit of an idea how you can wear this bag in multiple different ways. First thing you're going to notice are the clip-in points. There's 4 of them on each end here. So if we run it like this, we've got the 2 large pieces here end to end and the smaller ones clipped in here. You'll see there's a Velcro strap that rolls around to give you that single strap configuration. Now if we want to run it into a backpack configuration, we simply disconnect that, run that over here, and now you'll see we've got a backpack configuration. If you want a once-over cross strap, you simply take the long straps and you remove those. So you leave the smallest one in as it is, and you remove this small one and place it up top now. Once those are locked in, you'll see there's some gray bar tacking on each strap. That tells you where the large clips need to clip into. So simply clip the large clip into there. Again, gray bar tacking, large clip. And now you've got an adjustable single strap over the body carry configuration.